Hi guys, I'm going to review with you how to find surface area of a cylinder. So right now I've got my formula chart in front of me and I'm going to look at total surface area. But remember, if you needed lateral area or not the circles, you do a different formula. But for total surface area, I'm going to use the formula S, or surface area, equals 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r squared. Alright, so I'm just going to substitute in the information I need, and if you look, the variables that we need are the radius and the height. 2 is just a number, and pi, is just a number. We can't substitute anything in for that except 3.14, but we're just going to leave it in terms of pi. So for my radius, that's given to me down here, that's 8 centimeters, so my radius is 8, and my height is 15. So then I'm going to put everything into this formula. So 2 times pi times my radius of 8 and my height of 15 plus 2 pi and my radius of 8 squared. So I'm going to simplify that. You can use your calculator for this. But 2 times pi times 8 times 15 is going to be 240 pi. And I'm going to put my plus sign there. And 2 times pi times 8 squared, that'd be 64 times 2 is 128 pi. So then if I add those together, 240 pi plus 128 pi is going to be 368 pi. And our units here are centimeters, so that'd be centimeters, and since it's area, it'd be centimeters squared. So that is our total surface area. Now, if we weren't leaving it in terms of pi and you had to have an estimate of what the area would be, we would take 368 and multiply by the pi button on your calculator. So if I do that right now and hit my fraction decimal, that's about, so I'll put a squiggly line, about 1,156 and 1100ths centimeters squared. So either of these are correct. One is in terms of pi and one is not. Now, if you were just asked for the lateral area, that would mean I'm not including my circular bases here. And remember, the area of a circle is pi r squared. So in the formula, the two circles are the 2 pi r squared. Those are what's added on. So our lateral area is just what I've highlighted here in blue. So if you had been asked for the lateral area, the only part you would have been responsible for is that 240 pi. That would be your lateral area. All right, hopefully that helps review how to find surface area of a cylinder.